Hello there. You know, the one thing that can really open doors, there's like one form that can really open doors when it comes to government contracting, your capability statement. That is your government resume. Very important, especially if you fill out all 5 of the areas correctly. So what are the 5 areas? Number 1, your core competency. What are you competent in? Make sure you don't, end up being all over the place. Number 2, your differentiator. That's where we talk about your signature offer. What are you going to do to knock them off their feet? That's something you can do that other people may not do as well as you. The third thing is your past performance. The fourth is your company data. That's where you're putting on your certs. And the fifth is your contact information. This one form actually won me over $100,000 in contracts in 2 weeks doing subcontracting. They were the prime and I was the sub, and I sent that to them, and boom, everything changed. And that was my interest into government contracting. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the description below. I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.